This is Balin Johnson. He got contracted by Jordan Michael to put wallpaper in his room. Now, he's a contractor and he has to do a good job. But unfortunately, he got a lobotomy and he doesn't know how to do math anymore. So we have to help him. First, let's look at the shape of Jordan Michael's room. This is a 3D image of Jordan Michael's room. The room is 15 feet in height, 25 feet in width, and 50 feet in length. If you look at the shape, you'll notice that it is a right rectangular prism and is hollow, meaning that it is a polyhedron. Now, since it's a polyhedron, all of the sides are polygons. What is a polyhedron, you ask? Well, a polyhedron is a three-dimensional solid figure surrounded by flat polygonal faces, straight edges, and sharp vertices. A polygon is any enclosed two-dimensional geometric shape made up of three or more straight line segments. Okay, now that we got that out of the way, but Andrew, how are we supposed to solve this with such a difficult thingy? Like, how am I supposed to solve it 3D? Please make it simple. Shut up! Shut up! Quiet! Roar! Okay, but seriously, that's why we're going to use a net. A net is a 2D pattern that can be folded along its edges to construct a 3D figure. Okay, here's the net of Jordan Michael's room. Ta-da! And you may be wondering, where is the ceiling? Where is the floor? We removed them. Why? Because it's wallpaper, not ceiling paper, and not floor paper. Anyways, I should probably explain what surface area and area is. Surface area is the total area of all the faces on a polyhedron. And area is the amount of flat space that a polygon takes up. Now, we're not solving for the total surface area of the polyhedron. No. We want the walls, right? So we're calculating the area of the walls for Jordan Michael's room. Ignore what I said earlier. Okay, so here's what we're going to do first. As you can see here, the net is 45 meters across at the top. And you can also see at the bottom, at the wall is also 25 feet across. And we can actually use that information to calculate what the dimensions of the walls on the side are, as well as the walls in the middle are. Okay, first we can see at the top, the entire width for the net is 45 feet across. And at the bottom, the entire width for the middle walls is 25 feet across. We can use that information to calculate the area of the width of the two side walls because we can subtract 25 from 45 to get 20. Now, why is that important? Because the dimensions of the two side walls are the same. So, we can use that information to get the width of the side wall, which is 10 feet. Okay, the length of the side walls are actually really easy. First, at the side, we can see that it's 80 feet length. So, to get the length of the side wall, all we have to do is take the length from the middle wall, subtract them from 80, and then boom, we have our answer. Okay, so now that we have all the dimensions, let's add all of them up. So first, we'll calculate the area of the middle walls. So we'll do 15 times 25, and then we have our answer, multiply by 2 for the two walls, done. We do the same for the side walls, 10 times 50, multiplied by 2, boom. Add them all up, and we get our answer. I hope you enjoyed this animation because you wouldn't believe how hard and exhausting drawing on the screen is. Man, I haven't slept in 3 days. Ugh.